Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toothpaste slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toothpaste slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is toothpaste. You guys will also need dish soap. I'm using this palm olive one. I believe that's how you say it. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Alright, so for this recipe, I'm first going to get out my bowl and I'm going to get adding in a toothpaste. So I believe I'm going to use a scope toothpaste for today's video because it has more of like a gel texture and it works way better for no glue toothpaste slime recipes. And here's the toothpaste right here. I used a lot of it for the thumbnail if you saw, but I'm going to get adding it into the bowl. You don't need too much toothpaste, honestly. You only need like a little bit of a dab because toothpaste can actually make your slime really runny, so just use a little bit. Then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get adding in the dish soap. The dish soap is going to thicken up the slime recipe and it's going to make it super thick for this recipe to actually work pretty well. So I'm going to get adding in the dish soap now. I'm just going to use a little bit. The more you add is how much slime you will make as well, as I always say. And now I'm going to get mixing it up. Okay, so I'm just going to keep mixing it and mixing it. You can see how bubbly it's getting. I also did add a little bit more dish soap into here so I can thicken up a little bit more. And that looks like just enough. You can see it's pretty thick. Kind of looks runny, but don't worry about that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and then I'll take it out and I'll show you guys. See you guys in a second. My website, KawaiiToyStore.com, to check out all my social medias, my YouTube channel, and to check out awesome reviews from people who have already bought stuff from my website. On my website, I am selling globals and poppets, and I will be adding more stuff this week. So remember to check out my website, Kawaii Toy Store, and the first 10 orders will be getting a shout out in my next video. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours, and here it is. It thickened up so much. I'm so shocked. And here it is. It smells so good. It smells just like the toothpaste, obviously. And it's actually very, very not runny, which I'm so surprised by. Usually my toothpaste slimes are always so runny. It's a little bit sticky still. You can see the residue that's on me. But it turned out really awesome. And the smell is amazing. I can't get enough of the smell of this. And it's super, super stretchy. And it looks just like the toothpaste if you like mix it all up, because you know it's like a gel toothpaste. It's super pokeable and everything. But honestly, this is a really good no glue toothpaste slime recipe. I usually just do toothpaste for this type of recipe, but I think if you add like a thickening soap, like I use dish soap, I really want to try using like a body wash or a shampoo. I feel like that's going to make it way better. But I use dish soap. You guys can use dish soap. You can even try other soaps, so it's up to you. But here it is. Super, super stretchy, as you can tell. The bubble pops are amazing. But yeah, I'm so surprised by this recipe. It turned out really, really great. And that was my dog. Sorry if you hear my dog in the background. But yeah, this recipe was really awesome, and I really hope you guys try it out today. I want to do more recipes like this where I try different types of things I haven't done before. So I really hope you guys do this. This was the toothpaste I used. It's a Crest Scope one, and I used the Palm Olive dish soap. I always say that wrong, but it's okay. And yeah, here is the dish soap slime. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Here was the actual original toothpaste slime from the thumbnail. I want to try actually putting this into the refrigerator and seeing what happens, but you know, I'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give some video ideas. Remember to check out all my social medias in my KawaiiToyStore.com. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!